Hey guys, today I'm going to model how to actually go in and first install Lumin on your computer, or actually bypass that option of only opening the documents or the PDF with the Google Docs, so you can actually do the work online. Okay, so this will be posted in the section where it says online tool uses or usage. Okay, so first off, we're going to click on Google Classroom. As you can see, this is your view. I actually went in and created a student account, so I'm actually a student in my own class, but it's fine. Okay, so in the 6th grade class. Okay, so when I'm here, as you can see, it says due today. I'm just gonna click on this one, and that's the one I'm gonna be doing. Okay, so there's a comment right there on the regular one. And right here is saying I can talk to my teacher right there to send my teacher a private message. That's fine. I don't want to send myself a private message. We just erase this real quick. Okay, and then make a copy. Just trying to make a copy of the work that's here, because I just like modeled this for another student. So let me just make a copy of it real quick. So it's copying right now. All right, so now I can do my right click, open a new link. So from there, the new link is opening. So most of you are able to open this new link, and then when it gets to this page, that's where things get tricky. So I'm just gonna open with right here. See, it will say Google Docs for some of you, and then you just have to keep on clicking open with, and then it's gonna suggest Lumin PDF. So you go ahead and click Lumin PDF. And from there, it should open up the document that I want you guys to go in and do the work on. So connect to Google Drive. And you've seen me done a lot of videos on connecting to Google Drive and using Lumin. But I actually wanted to go in as a student today to show you how to actually do this. Because I know sometimes it's frustrating, because yes, you're doing the work in Lumin, but the work is not showing up in your Google Drive or on your worksheet. So I'm just waiting for it to load right now. So as you can see, it's loading. Okay, here we go. All right, so for this one, you have to help each girl find her destination by plotting the points and connecting them with lines. That's what you're doing. So first of all, I'm gonna use the freehand tool that's there. I have the color that I want. I want the green color because I like green, especially this type of green. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and plot the points. So the first point is -2, 4. -2 goes up to 4. I'm putting my first point here, and I'm drawing the line to connect it. Next, it's -4, 3. -4 goes to 3. It's right here. And again, I'm drawing this line to connect it. -4, 1. -4 goes to 1 right here. Drawing the line to connect it. Then we have -1 goes to 4 back up here. So I'm putting the point right there at -1, 4. And I'm taking this and drawing the line. Remember, you just need to connect it. It doesn't have to be perfect. So the next point is 4, 4. It's right here. Again, from here, I'm drawing the line, connecting it. Next, it's gonna be 1, 3. 1, 3 is right here. Put the point, and I'm connecting it. Then 1 goes to -3. Oh, I'm sorry. So 4, 4. Sorry, let me just take this right here. I made a mistake. So 4, 4, then 4, 1. I made a mistake. And that's fine, because we learn from our mistakes. We learn from our mistakes. All right, so 4, 4. Let me just cross out the ones that I've done. So should have done that first. That's gone. That's gone. That's gone, that's gone, that's gone. 4, 1. 4, 1 is right here. And I'm just gonna connect it down. That's gone. 1, 3. 1 goes to 3 right here. And then I'm just connecting it. 1, -3. So 1, -3 is all the way down here. And I'm connecting it. 4, -1. So 4, -1 is right here. And I'm just connecting it. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. And then 2, -4. 2 goes to -4 right here. Go down, connect that. And then the school is at B, and that's where it is. So this is what I want to see on your paper, okay? Because it's already in your name, no need to input a name right there, okay? The next thing before I actually go in and upload this to Google Drive, I'm just gonna change the name. You click over here, you can say copy, you can say actual work. I'm just gonna put LM for Lumin, okay? LM for Lumin. So LM for Lumin. And then to actually sync it to Google Drive, I'm just gonna go over here, click on the cloud, then sync to Google Drive, choose, sync again. First you have to say create a copy, sync again. All right, so we're creating a copy on Google Drive, so sync to Google Drive. And then you have that success message. So your documents were successfully synced, okay? Next, I'm just gonna exit out of all of this that I have right here. So exit, exit because it was successfully synced. And remember why I said I created a student account? Now I can actually go in and submit my work. So we're gonna click on add or create. We can go to Google Drive because that's where I actually synced my work. And then you're gonna see, you see right here I have LM, that's the first one that's there because that's the one that I created today. So LM, Samantha Daly, I'm gonna click on that one and I'm gonna add that one to my assignment, right? Then the top one, I don't need it, so I'm just gonna exit that out because there's nothing on there. So the one that I wanna turn in, that's the LM one that I just did on Lumin. So I'm just gonna turn that in, turn it in. And then right now it's saying on submit, that means my teacher has that. When I wanna go see if it's really there, if I submitted the correct one, I'm just gonna double click on it. And then as you can see, all the work that I did in Lumin PDF is here. So Miss Daly will be able to see the work that I'm doing, okay? This is much easier than doing it on paper and then taking a picture. Just use your Lumin PDF, okay? Now you know what to do. Show me what you know. Bye.